So hi guys, here we go again. Got another bit of stock for you. As you can see, this is an absolutely stunning Mercedes GLE. So this is your GLE450 diesel mile hybrid AMG line. Obviously a premium plus because that's all we deal with. Just high spec cars. And look at that, massive spec this one. Massive. As you can see, it's finished in the Alpine Grey, which is a £695 paint option. Comes with your 22-inch satin black diamond cut alloys, which are the AMG stylings. As you can see, nicely all branded, embossed. Side steps, and what a car. One owner from you on this one. See, it's just unbelievable. Full service history, as you'd expect. Also comes with the balance of a service plan, which means that the next one's free. You've got warranty until September 27, and obviously comes equipped with 2 keys. And look at that. I have to say the Alpine's a lovely colour. Really nice finish. Just nice. Look at that. Tell you what would be nice, stick a ceramic coat on that. $1 million. Just while I'm on with that, we've got dash cams available, ghost immobilisers and trackers. Obviously ask us when you inquire. And also there's 9.9% on the APR on the finance at the moment, which is really good. Bit of a market leading rate for you guys. But look at it. So much presence. So much presence. I'll show you inside. Let's have a look. Obviously you've got your tailgate, you've got your rubber mats, which we like to keep, obviously. You've got your 7 seats in the back, and in here, got all your bits and pieces. Absolutely lovely. Parcel shelf is here, look. So we've got the parcel shelf for you, all nice and lovely leather. You've got your electric seats in the back and Burmester. Okay, so that's lovely, that's a good thing to have. Got your nice big panoramic roof at the top. Now this is beautiful. Just look at the leather, look at the, that's just lovely. Look at the detail. Absolutely stunning. You can see heated seats, cooled seats, you got your Burmester. It's just such a nice place. Sun's out, guys, so you know, time to get looking. Look at that. And what a nice thing to find. Let's have a look in, let's go in. Let's get in it. That's what it's all about, you know. That's why I like this job. Gotta get involved. So as you can see, a bit of fill, no nasty lights obviously. And we've got the nav. There we've got 360 camera all around. Air suspension. got your touch screen. So this is all, so you can use the pad, but then this is touch screen as well. He says, hang on, there. Let's go back to that, and then you've got that as a touch screen as well. But it's just such a nice thing, really nice. Do like the ambient lighting there, because obviously this all colours, this all comes a different colour, which you can change. You've got nice speakers in the back, look. Not speakers, sorry, air vents. And it's just nice. Also, you've got the opening roof on this one, as you can see. So it's not just a pan, it's an opener. I'll shut it, I don't really forget. And this wood finish, this finish here is really nice, really lovely. So obviously, guys, I mean, we've kind of done it again. We've found that. Just that unicorn. It's also got head-up display. Can't miss a trick on that. It's not actually flashing, that's just the camera. I say that every time. But yeah, I mean, we've just kind of done it again. Found you the car that people are looking for. And I just don't think you're going to be disappointed with that one. That's just a stunning, stunning 7-seater. Well done, Mercedes. Well done, Mercedes. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a pleasure.